Now you know that Git is a distributed source control system, and you can easily clone remote repositories, and I have demonstrated you that in the previous lecture. If you have already Git repositories locally on your computer, you can conveniently manage them using SourceTree program. SourceTree is a graphical user interface that enables you to manage either local or remote repositories. Also, here you can connect your GitHub account or Bitbucket account. Bitbucket is another hosting service for Git repositories. Okay, when you will launch SourceTree at the first time, you will see initial configuration dialog, but you can simply skip it. And after that, you will see such window. And here you can add local repository. Remember that we have already cloned repository with this name, JavaScript Bible Basics, and now I can simply drag it into the source tree, like this. And here you will see that this repository was added, and it even shows us currently checked out branch. And if I will go back to the terminal, you will see that now I am located in this branch. Okay, let's go back to the source tree and let's double click on the repository. And here on the left pane, you will see list of all local branches, for example, this one, and you see that names of the branches were used to structure branches in folders. For example, there is core folder and there is intro folder. I can expand any of those folders, and here you will see, for example, challenge 1. And inside of the challenge 1, you will see name of this challenge and start branch. I can simply double-click on the name of the branch, like this, and it will automatically check out this branch. If I will go back to VS Code, you will see that project files were automatically refreshed here. And now you see challenge task for the challenge number 1. I can go back to SourceTree and navigate through remote branches. In that case, you need to click here at Remotes, expand origin, and here you will see all remote branches, again structured in folders. I can click at the core folder, and here, for example, I can double-click on the functions branch. Let's double-click, and here you will see proposal to check out remote branch. And name of the local branch will be this one, without origin prefix. And you see here checkbox, local branch should track remote branch. And I recommend you to leave this checkbox checked. Why? If I will make any changes in one of the branches, you will be able to pull those updates. And in those cases, your local branches will be automatically updated. Great. Let's click OK here, and you will see that new branch, local branch, was created here, and it was automatically checked out. If I will go back to the terminal and press Enter here, you will see that now I am located in this branch. And if I will go back to VS Code, you will see that this branch was automatically refreshed here as well. Okay, let's go back to SourceTree. If during the course you will see that when you list remote branches, you don't see one of the branches that I use inside of the course, simply click here Fetch button, and it will download all latest updates from the remote repository. Let's click it. And here in this window, please leave first box checked, and check also last box, fetch and store all text locally. It will allow you to check out remote branches even without internet connection. Let's click OK. Here you will see fetching process, and here you will see any logs. And now you see message completed successfully. And at the moment you don't see any update here in this section. Let's close this, and let me show you what will happen if I will add one new branch to the project. I will go back to my GitHub account, and here I will click on the branch and type here name of the new branch, let's call it test, and then click create branch test. Okay, new branch from the master branch was created, and now if I will go back to the source tree and perform same action, click fetch, check this checkbox and click OK, you will see that new remote branch test was added here to the list. And of course, I am able to check out it. But I will not do that. Instead, I will simply delete this newly created branch. I will click here on the branches, choose here test branch and click here this delete this branch icon. And this branch was just deleted. Now let's go back to the source tree and click on the fetch again. But now I need to check second checkbox, prune tracking branches that no longer present on the remote. This will delete all local branches that were deleted on the remote. Check this checkbox and click OK. And now here you see that test branch in the remote section was deleted. Okay, that's how it works in the source tree. You can also update branches in the terminal. If I will go back to the terminal and type command git pull and -- all option, this command will perform same action but via terminal. Okay, now you are fully equipped with the knowledge on how to use remote Git repositories for this course. Let's make a pause now and see you in the next section. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. This video was last video in the current section. Link to the next section you will find here. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, please subscribe if you have not yet done this. See you in the next videos and lectures. Bye.